Korean Presbyterian Church, HoHun. The HoHun Church separated from the Presbyterian Church in Korea HapDong. In 1960, 125 delegates to the assembly, among the Pastor Kim Eun-Kyun and Pastor Kim Eun-Chan, formed a special association for the safeguard of the conservative Reformed faith. The following year, they formed HoHun. Conflict in leadership arose in the early 1960s. A group led by Pastor Lee Do-Bong sought to prolong Park Byung-Hun in the leadership. A new moderator, Reverend Song Jae-Muk, separated and formed the Presbyterian Church in Korea HwanWon. A clash occurred in the denomination. Later, the church had overcome successfully of the financial difficulties. Reverend Eun-Kyun was elected as moderator. A year later, Park Byung-Hun and his followers separated. After Park's death, most of his former followers returned to HoHun. In 1982, the church established the Committee for Combining Denominations. Several small denominations joined HoHun as a result. In 2004, it had 120,000 members and 910 congregations in 39 presbyteries and a general assembly. The church adheres to the Apostles' Creed and Westminster Confession. References